So this is what my husband does in the morning with his birds.
Okay.
It's a ritual every morning.
Not every morning. Only on weekends for my birds. I clean the bird bath. I give them a special diet of food. And for our neighbors as well. And we have birds and squirrels and all kinds of beautiful things. And then we make our food, look at that, sunflower seeds and kibble. Every weekend morning.
So you're going to watch him and how he cleans the bird bath.
Because birds can be stinky characters.
I guess anybody who's into birds can watch how he cleans the bird bath. It's not rocket science though. You can take any soap and scrub it. Otherwise it will turn to mold and the water will get all green.
Can I let it sit? Then we have a creature drinker.
This is his mental therapy that
It
he does
absolutely is.
every morning.
To deal with you know who. Look at that. And that's what you do. And I feed the birds. And I water the plants.
Well, technically we don't water the plants until late at night.
True.
We don't water them in the morning.
That she knows of.
You better not be watering the plants in the morning.
That she knows of. Make sure the water's nice, fresh, and clean.
We have to support our habitat, our birds. Because if they don't get water from us, they don't get water from anywhere.
Well, they can go to the creek down there. There's a creek in the backyard down there.
There is a creek down there, but it's kind of like dirty water. And plus they like to sit in this bird bath up here.
Yes, they do.
So now he's gonna go fill the bird feeder.
It was already filled from last night. And our neighbors.
And then he kindly fills
Which I did last night.
our neighbor's feeder also.
There we go, folks.
This is our backyard. So there you have it. Do you have anything else to say, Jeff?
Have a wonderful day. We're going shopping.